You probably know that your body likes fat, but your brain loves it. This is how your body keeps you satisfied and coming back to foods you actually enjoy. Fat isn't the enemy. Used well, it's a tool for flavor and staying power. Stay with me. At the end, I'll give you the 3 fats that make healthy meals actually satisfying. You are watching ThatEasyFood. Fatty foods don't just taste good. They also light up reward pathways your brain loves and reinforce the idea, this is worth eating again. That's not weakness. It's survival biology, honed over thousands of years, when fat was rare and energy dense. Nowadays, in our food environment, that same wiring can be hijacked. You can find more about ultra-processed food in my video, right here. But before you check that, you will love this. That same wiring can be hijacked, so why don't do it yourself? And use this wiring to our advantage by choosing fats that satisfy without derailing us, and are full of nutrients, not just flavor. We eat fat because it's pleasurable. You shouldn't feel guilty. Pleasure isn't the enemy. It's the mechanism that keeps healthy eating sustainable. And for thousands of years, it kept us alive in a low-calorie environment. So fat make us like it, but how does this happen? Fat is a flavor carrier. Many aroma molecules, the real drivers of flavor, ride along with fat, which helps them spread across your tongue and up to your nose. That drizzle of olive oil on tomatoes? It doesn't just add calories. It deepens the aroma and rounds off any harsh acidity, so the whole bite feels complete. Even lean chicken tastes flat without a touch of fat. A little olive oil or yogurt turns okay into an I want more. This is a pro-kitchen move, where they use more oil or fat to build flavor and texture, far more than you'd use at home. If flavor sparks your desire for more, texture is where fat wins hearts. Chocolate melts at body temperature. Fat in pastry makes flakes. A little oil turns a thin soup silky. Your mouth notices long before your brain catches up, and suddenly all you can think about is another bite. That crisp crunch is a learned cue too. Your brain associates that sound with energy. Creamy, crispy, melt in the mouth are some of your brain's favorites, and that's why you feel the need to keep going. That's why low-fat versions often feel unsatisfying. You've removed a key texture signal and the flavor carriers with it. That feel-good texture doesn't stop at your tongue. Your gut senses fat and slows digestion, sending I'm full signals. That means longer-lasting meals. Now, we know that fat is not the bad guy that wants to make you fat. There is so much more behind. But what is actually fat? Fat is your body's slow-burn fuel and building material. Picture tiny energy droplets that also help build the skin of every cell in your body. Most food fat is a triglyceride, 3 little tails clipped to a backbone. This is perfect for packing energy. Cell membranes use phospholipids, 2 tails plus a special head, so they line up like a waterproof wall and keep cells intact. There are 3 kinds of fat. Saturated fat is like straight, stackable sticks, so it's solid at room temperature. Think butter and cheese. Unsaturated fat is like bendy straws that don't stack, so it stays runny, like olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fish. Trans fat is a factory-made, stiffened fat used to make foods last longer. It's the one to avoid. Fat has a few big jobs. It protects your organs, builds the skin of every cell of your body, stores energy, and it helps you use vitamins A, D, E, K. Those vitamins need tiny carriers. Think small taxis that pick the vitamins up and take them into your bloodstream. A little fat in the meal switches that system on. You don't need loads, just not a fat-free meal. The fats you eat also nudge how flexible your cell membranes are. Some are essential because your body can't make them. We use them to make chemical messengers that help with inflammation and support the brain. Where does extra fat go? Your body stores it in fat cells called adipocytes. First, the cells fill up. With long surpluses, you can make more. Between meals, your body can pull fat back out and use it for fuel. Keep overfilling, and yes, the waistband notices. Visceral fat is the deep belly fat around your organs, the troublemaker linked to higher risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It often comes down early when meals are steadier and you move more. Brown fat is your built-in heater. It burns a little energy to make heat. It's small, a bonus burn, not a magic switch. But let's turn this into action. As promised, here are the 3 fats that make healthy meals actually satisfying, and how you can start tonight. Olive oil extra virgin. Use this every day. Drizzle on salads, roast your veg, finish soups. It turns "I should eat this" into "I love it." Olive oil is mostly unsaturated fat and packed with natural compounds from olives. This means intense, lovely flavor. Always go for extra virgin in a dark bottle. Peppery or grassy notes are a good sign. Don't overthink the cooking. Medium heat is fine, and you can always finish with a fresh drizzle. Fish oil, aim for once or twice a week. You get long-chain omega-3s, the kind linked with heart and brain benefits, and real staying power after a meal. Try it tonight. A tin of sardines, squeeze of lemon, black pepper, parsley, add toasted bread, and some olive oil. Some alternatives to sardines are mackerel or salmon. Don't eat fish? Try nuts like walnuts, almonds, or pistachios. A small handful provides a big payoff. You get unsaturated fats plus fiber together. That combo crushes 4 p.m. hunger. Drop a handful of nuts with fruit, yogurt, or porridge. Toss toasted nuts over salads or roast veg for instant crunch and flavor. Always choose unsalted, keep a portion handy, and store the rest airtight. Nuts are energy-dense. The handful is your friend. Fat is the way food says, "Love me." It carries aroma, fixes texture, and helps your gut send the calm "I'm full" signals that make meals last. Not all fats are equal. Lean into olive oil, oily fish, and nuts. Keep trans fats out and saturated in check. Use small amounts on purpose to make your dishes irresistible. Use it on purpose, not by accident. What's your go-to healthy fat? Extra virgin olive oil, nuts, fish. And what's one swap you'll try this week? Next up, we'll decode salt and seasoning, how to build flavor without the sugar trap. Enjoy your food and let healthy fat work for you. If you like this video, let us know in the comments and tell us what other food stories you'd love to explore next. Subscribe for more delicious stories right here on ThatEasyFood. And remember, a little healthy fat can make even your favorite food taste better.